So the main reason why the valve fails to open at 100%. So as you could see now here guys, the pneumatic signal here. So we have a pinhole. That's why even you receive 100% signal from the control room, the valve will not open at 100% because you are losing air signal here, pneumatic signal. So as you could see guys, we have plenty pinhole here. So that's the main reason why the valve fails to open. Okay guys, so to make sure if we have really problem in this pneumatic signal, so what we are going to do, we put a temporary pneumatic hose direct from the signal from the control room. So this one connected to the positioner. So now we are going to connect the signal at 100% from the control room. So the valve now will start to open as per signal. So here we connect from the signal to the positioner, then the valve opens at 100%. So to test if the valve will close, just remove the signal. Okay, so I remove it. So the valve will start to close. So in that another video, you see that's the pneumatic controller reducing the signal. So now it's closing. So now we confirm that we have problem in the pneumatic line. So what we are going to do, we just change the pneumatic line. So we have a new one now. So that's how to solve this problem guys. Okay guys, so thank you for watching guys. Please like and subscribe. Open again. Why you open again? Close.